My name is Jay. I'm here in the class for the decal class for 101. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting some stickers so you guys can actually see and hear what the sticker machine is supposed to sound like. And I want you guys to actually peel and tape and just kind of get a hands-on experience on what it's supposed to be like. And then we're going to actually put it on our I'm not just your sticker guy. I'm actually in your group. I'm in your team. I'm in your community. You guys all invite me to your birthday parties, your weddings, your open house. I mean, I've gotten invited to so many different things, and I feel like you guys are my family, so I want to return the favor. I mean, I started from nothing. I was in Wild Bill selling stickers for $3 in a parking lot with a folded table. I didn't know anything better. I just wanted enough money to go to Waffle House afterwards, hang out with my friends and eat and get ready enough gas money for the next week. And that's really how I started. I didn't have any intention of opening up a sign shop, but here I am. Now I'm teaching. So.